of a river. This is freaking awesome, man. Dude, those are fresh too. That might be bear shit. What's up, guys? And today we're gonna be exploring this old dirt road. So we're gonna see what's going down over here. As you can see, it's somewhat raining on us. So this is a cool Randonautica little trip. See if this is an active ghostly area. So pretty much Randonautica sent us here. So we're gonna see if this place is haunted, or maybe there's some kind of reason why Randonautica sent us here. So it would be cool to check out. Well, as you can see, we finally found a bone. I wonder what type of bone is that. Looks like a spine or something. Man, this is weird. Wonder why this is here. Wow, this is cool. Look at a nice old man beard. Wow, holy cow. Looks like there's a Bandit Camper down there. Holy cow. Guys, I cannot believe we got this nice cool view of a river. This is freaking awesome, man. Hit that like button, comment down below. Mom, you are missing out on this cool view. Down there off. And we ain't even close to that squirrel over there. We are close to this squirrel, but not that squirrel down there. It's getting mad at something over here. Let's see what's going down. Maybe that one creepy bird. I hate those birds. Sometimes when I'm rushing and I'm running from something, that one damn bird, that same bird, gotta do this. Oh, there's two roads we can take. I want to know what's down this road. Maybe some ghost spirits could be down here. Look at this sand in the middle of the woods. There's a freaking long spiderweb on my head. See that? Yeah.
Yep.
Damn, man. I want to know why they made like this little gravel pit or something. Oh. C47. I don't know what that means. Oh man. Shotgun bullets. Dude, those are fresh too. Winchester. Somebody was shooting. Was trying to climb this mountain. Something with 4-wheelers. There it comes to a dead end. 10mm auto. Boy, oh boy. Like, I don't know what they mean by C47. Whatever that means. That's fresh. That might be bear shit. And you're ready to run.
I don't know if I can.
Guys, that is a bear shit. And that was fresh too. One, I should have never freaking climbed that mountain. Two, now it's fresh. Trap, man. Okay, for my weapon. Although I do have a machete in my backpack, I don't know why I don't dig it out. I'm kind of worried about a spider crawling in me right now. That was a big spider web. And also we gotta be careful because of that bear. That was fresh too. Probably heard us. Took off running. Deep into the woods probably. I want to be on this guy's meat radar. And I gotta be extra careful because you will hear a squirrel in the distance, and usually that means something's walking there. So it's gotta be in the distance, not up close, because we might be, bothering it. They're pretty much my alarm clock. They're my alarm. In case things go south, that's why I like squirrels, because if they hear anything like in those bushes over there, and I'm like way down there, those squirrels will do that to warn you. Something was digging there. Jesus, man. Squirrel in the distance. That could be the one. Yeah. Thought I heard some walking. Boy, oh boy. We are getting closer to a fan, which thank God we didn't bump into it. Something was digging there. Either we scared it or something smoking in the woods over there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, guys. This one was kind of creepy because it seemed like poop. It's like it could have been from a grizzly bear or some kind of bear, and it was eating berries maybe, I don't know. And that was kind of creepy, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.